need the particle effects and everything from resin.
Yeah.
But it's definitely getting there.
It's definitely. And I move the switch here. So as soon as you walk in, you see the switch.
That is the thing. Like we have to we will need that stuff from Revin, so they look a little bit better, like with frames.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
So we can actually just open the file and see if it actually is there.
Yeah. So doors need to be remade.
Yeah.
That looks cool.
I feel like the signs can be a bit confusing.
Yeah. Totally. I think we have to. And they were actually some of the users were actually confused by.
Yeah.
Let's see how we can sort that out. Reza had a navigational system, but that navigational system was too helpful. It really showed you exactly where you needed to go with that walking hologram of yourself.
Yes.
Yeah. So.
Very true.
And we need to go over these look way too pristine by now.
One thing I was also thinking, there's not like, it looks too dry, if that makes sense. Like the floors, they should be like puddles of water.
Yeah,
maybe.
I thought about that because this is an actual very high level kind of facility close to where Amafu is essentially like at its best. They wouldn't have water somewhere on the floors and stuff.
Okay.
It would make things look more interesting, but we have to find other ways of doing that.
Yeah.
In the other areas, definitely, yeah. I like. Did you put the water in there?
No, Stefan did, yeah.
That is actually pretty cool idea.
Much better than it was.
Yeah. Yeah, that
So,
looks cool.
really
Yes, less yellow and
Yeah.
less red in the background,
Yeah.
because it looks like it's the way it talks to the player. It's like, hey, you're missing out something very important in the back here.
Yeah.
Especially in the context of that first mission where you are supposed to fix stuff. Cool. Let's see.